Hey guys, so a lot of you guys have been asking how to embroider denim jackets, and a lot of you guys also want some videos using multi-head machines. So today I whipped out the 2-head so that we can embroider on these awesome denim jackets that I picked up at Target. So embroidering on denim is actually very simple. All you're gonna need is a standard 7511 sharp point needle, and I'm just using regular 40 weight thread. In this video, I'm also going to show you guys how I center my designs on a jacket back. So if you're new to embroidery, I want to show you guys the full process, because in the last video, some people wanted to see more of the process for the newbies, so delivering this time. As always, before we get started, please make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. All of the love that you guys have been showing us has really helped us grow, and we are so grateful. So thank you again. Don't forget, like, subscribe, comment, and stick around for the rest of the video. I'm actually very excited about embroidering this design. I actually picked it up on Urban Threads and it was on sale. And it's just the perfect design for the back of a denim jacket, in my opinion. I'm definitely going to take this with me as a souvenir. All right, so first off, I already know that this right here is my center because we have these 2 seams right here. So that's really gonna help out. You can go ahead and measure and then find the center point. Alrighty. Perfect. Let's get this show on the road. All right, so we are all done, and I'm feeling really good about this design. It looks absolutely great, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take it over to the table and try it on for you guys. All right, so this is something that you can definitely flip. I can definitely see something like this being sold on Etsy. And this design was only $2. Imagine how many of these you can actually make. And you can go ahead and charge a premium for a personalized name up here in the front. I think that would be something that would sell very well on Etsy. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions on how to embroider with a multi-head or how to embroider on different types of garments, let us know in the comments below, and we'll definitely consider making one of those a video for you guys. Don't forget, before you go, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and don't forget to join our Facebook group, Embroidery and Custom Apparel Mastery. I went ahead and linked it below so you can chat with me and thousands of other embroiderers in there if you have any questions, or if you just want to share your knowledge. So I hope to see you guys there, and thanks again for watching.